arise in our mind that how we can make the smear or blood film. We can also call that blood film, blood smear, or peripheral blood smear as well. Now how we can make it? First of all, we have to take one slide. As you can see, the first slide will on the first slide what we will do, we put the blood. This blood will be the ADTA blood. Okay, now once we put one drop of the ADTA blood, then what we will do, we have to take another slide. We put the other slide on the first slide, as you can see, and then we will move it in the backward direction, as you can see. So once we move it into the backward direction, so what will happen in the next diagram, as you can see, so once it reaches to the blood drop, so after that, once it's touched to the blood drop, as you can see, so what happened, the blood drop will be spreaded, as you can see. After that, what we will do in the third diagram, as you can see, we have to push the slide, or we have to move the slide in the forward direction. Once we move it into the forward direction, what we get, we see that the blood are spreading in the slide. So this second slide reached at the end, so what we get the blood smear. So this is called the blood smear. This is how the blood smear is made.